Hi, good evening. In engaging cloud vendors, and these are the findings have been able to make. Now, this has led to picking the cloud vendors. The first one, the vendor one, I was able to pick is the Amazon Web Services. Now, they are known for scalability and reliability, and this also they provide a full range of infrastructure as a service and platform as a service, which helps in delivering production very fast. We also choose Microsoft Azure, and this is because we will need soft ways platforms from Microsoft Azure. So this will help us use Microsoft products and integration of Microsoft services. Now, in identifying the capital expenditure, the on-premises saver is one of the capital expenditure. Now, this helps in backup because we are running hybrid services, and then also network equipment like router, switches, and our physical computers that will be used are also capital expenditure. For its operational expenditure, I've identified that the recurring expenses in terms of subscription every month, recurring payment of subscription, either monthly or yearly, it's a operational expenditure. Now, this is it depends on how well we use. If it will be pay as you go, or it will be less than that. And also the cloud storage depends on the bandwidth we go for. So these are operational expenditure. If we want more data to be accessed more faster, and it will also depend on that. For variable cost, we look at pay as you go, as I said earlier. So variable cost is pay as you go. The more areas we get to open our company, the more employees we have, it will extend the use of infrastructure in the cloud. So it's pay as you go. That is one of the variable costs we will use. And also cloud data transfer. It depends on the amount of data we transfer. So it varies. It might be in the month it increases, it might be in the next month it reduces. The fixed cost. Now, the fixed cost will be the annual cloud support contract. It can also be annual subscription of software. So this is a fixed cost that we'll also encounter. For our licensing model, it will be a subscription base, depending on the amount of users or amount of employees we have, amount of users we have. In evaluation of cloud vendors, we've come to see that AWS has its high in performance and also has a low latency. For usability, it is flexible and requires technical skill. It also has a wide ecosystem in terms of integration. It is very scalable. But in Azure, it has a high performance. It also has a high latency. Depending on what we are going to do, it's slightly user friendly, which really it works mainly very well on Windows. It's scalable too, and excellent Microsoft integration, and that's why we've chosen to use both. So these are some of the evaluations we did in cloud vendors. For our service level agreement, we've both agreed that AWS will give us a 4.9 uptime. That is 99.99% key services, and also they will give us compensation in service credit if uptime falls below what we've agreed. They also agreed to give us a high availability across multiple regions. And also in Azure has also decided to give us 99.95% for virtual machines in terms of software we'll be using, and also compensation in the same thing, and their performance will be reliable and strong. For migration principles, we've decided to use lift and shift approach. We don't want, because of time, we want to reduce downtime in designing. We also use hybrid cloud approach, and both on-site and on the cloud, to leverage flexibility. And also, we also decided to use data security compliance and encrypting all data to follow regulatory cloud flexibility. And also, for cost optimization, we have decided to monitor, adjust resources to avoid over provisioning. And these are the things we've decided to do in our cloud staking in the company. Thank you.